My next piece ready for Tom for the leather. This is the back seat area. Package tray. It's all made out of sheet metal, obviously. And I've got a panel that goes around here that's going to be painted black, high gloss black, and everything else is going to be wrapped with leather. So I'll be dropping that off here Monday or Tuesday for Tom so he can get started. There's the side panels as well. I'm going to drop those off, and those are individual pieces. You've got the main piece here, this armrest with the speaker hole built into it, and then this piece wraps around the roll bar, and those are all removable with sheet metal screws on the back side, which will allow him to wrap it and then put everything together. So you can see how that mounts to the back panel. There's bolts here that are going to be hidden. You access those through speaker hole here, and then a couple of them back through the back side this way when I go to install it. So that'll be a really cool piece when he gets done with it. Can't wait to see it after he wraps it with leather. I just got a bunch of leather pieces back from him today, or this week as well. Here's my sail panels. Again, those are all made out of sheet metal, and he wrapped them with leather. It's fit right up against the window. It's got a flange there. So those ought to be pretty nice when they're installed. Got the rear quarter panel trim, and those turned out really nice. Tom did an excellent job. This is for the roll bar cover here. Roll bar comes out through here, and the seat belts come through here, and I got another piece that goes there and around that as well. Those will get powder coated. There's the grill. Those pieces that the speaker grill, that one's just laid in place. It's going to look really good. Double stitch around the armrest. This is all made out of sheet metal as well. There's the that'd be the driver's side, and that one's the passenger side. Rear seat, quarter panel trims. Again, those are, I showed a video of that earlier. Those are all sheet metal, and he wrapped it with leather. Tom is doing an excellent job on that stuff.